Okay, hello friends. So today I will be sharing a personal experience with you. So how working on difficult problems. If you are working on different difficult problems, it rewards you even if you fail in this. Okay. So I will be sharing a personal story with you. So that was a time when I was preparing for GATE exam. So GATE exam is a engineering exam for like it is a exam for engineering students for admission in post graduation. So I did my mechanical engineering from a private institute, and I was targeting a top IIT college, like top 4 Indian Institute of Technology IIT college. And I was also desiring a top branch like design engineering for mechanical. So I had prepared very well. So I was preparing for this exam for like around 3 years. So I gave 3 most precious year of my life to this exam. And you will be surprised that when the results came, I missed the cutoff for my favorite branch in the top 4 IITs by just 1 or 2 marks. So that was very heartbreaking moment for me. So when you put enough effort for something and you don't make it, it really hurts you. I was completely devastated by that. So at that point of time in my life, something very unusual happened, and this thing completely changed the way I thought before. So I could have never planned for that thing. So that year IIT Kanpur started a new department in mechanical engineering. So that, and with the same gate score, which was not enough for me to get a good design branch in the top 4 IIT, landed me there in this new department. So the lesson I want to give to you is that sometimes, like, the difficult problem which you are working on doesn't give you the desired result, but it gives you the skills, confidence, then discipline, readiness. So you end up learning lots of other things, and which eventually turns out in some other way. So sometimes success doesn't come in the same way as we planned. Sometimes success comes with a different face. So we should always aim high, not because the success is guaranteed, but because growth is guaranteed. So I hope that my this personal experience would be able to motivate some of you guys, because even if any one person is uh, motivated by this story, then I think my job to make this video is done. So thank you.